VQMS, which stands for Vigorous Quality Management System, is a management consulting company towards quality and management. VQMS is a team of highly experienced and acknowledged experts in the field of training, consultation, and outsourcing services for national and international boundaries in Lean Six Sigma, quality and processes management, and other corporate boundaries, that is, corporate governance management. A quality management system, or QMS, is defined as a formalized system that documents processes, procedures, and responsibilities for achieving quality policies and objectives. A QMS helps coordinate and direct an organization's activities to meet customer and regulatory requirements and improve its effectiveness and efficiency on a continuous basis. Implementing a quality management system affects every aspect of an organization's performance. Benefits of a documented quality management system include meeting the customer's requirements, which help to instill confidence in the organization, in turn leading to more customers, more sales, and more repeat business. Each element of a quality management system helps achieve the overall goals of meeting the customers' and organization's requirements. Quality management systems should address an organization's unique needs. However, the elements all systems have in common include: 1. The organization's quality policy and quality objectives. 2nd. Quality manual. 3rd. Procedures, instructions and records. 4th. Data management. 5th. Internal processes. 6th. Customer satisfaction from product quality. 7th. Improvement opportunities. And 8th. Quality analysis. Some of the key features of ISO 13485 are: medical devices based documentation, process definition and system improvements, credibility and risk management, procedure management, better planning and budgeting, and ISO 13485 based gaps learning. ISO 13485 QMS standard is a quality management standard used globally for medical devices. It is used to establish and update your organization's QMS. Some of the requirements in ISO 13485 standards include a set of procedures that cover all key processes in the business, monitoring processes to ensure they are effective, keeping adequate records, checking output for defects with appropriate and corrective action where necessary, regularly reviewing individual processes and the quality system itself for effectiveness, and facilitating continual improvement for medical devices. For further information, you can visit our website www.vqms.co.in and also follow our social media handles. Thank you.